everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie blue from Rainbow Friends. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie blue from Rainbow Friends, let's begin right about here and we're going to make a partial circle. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around to about here. Then we're going to start right about here, and we're going to bring this line down to about here. Now, starting here, let's make some little smiley face shapes in here, so it looks like part of his head is missing. And then let's go ahead and make some little bumps right in here. Starting up here at the crown, we're going to make a line that goes out at an angle. And then over here we'll make one that comes out at an angle. Next we're going to come down at an angle. And we'll do another one here. We're going to go up and then down. Next we're going to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here. And we're going to make a nice big circular shape for one of the eyes. Then we'll leave some space over here, and then we'll do the same thing. Make a nice big circular shape for the eye. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make another circle shape for the pupil. And I'm going to color most of this in, leaving just a little bit white towards the top. Now over here, I'm just going to make a little X shape. So we're going to make a little bump here. We'll make a little bump here. We'll do one here, and then one more here. Now right underneath this eye, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then bring it back up. Now for the mouth, we're going to draw a line that comes across. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here, and one that comes down here. We're going to make a little line that comes over here for a bump. And then we're going to make a little wiggly line that comes up and down. Then inside of here, we're going to make some little teeth right along the top and on the bottom as well. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to curve this around. And I'm going to make a couple little bumps right in here, so it looks like part of the arm's missing. Then we're going to bring it back. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a line that's going to come out. This time we'll make a couple small ones here. And then we'll just curve this around, and we'll bring this back towards the head. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And we'll do a line that comes down here. Right here, I'm going to make some big curves right inside of here. So it looks like there's a big part of his side missing. And then we'll just bring this line down. And we'll bring this line down a little bit. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and bring it up. Make a little line across. And then right here we're going to make a line that comes down. And then before I get all the way down, I'm going to make kind of like a zigzag line across. And then I'm going to bring it up here. Now starting here, we're going to make 2 lines that come down. And then we'll make 2 curved lines right here, so it kind of looks like a bone. Now let's move back up here. Right inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then we're going to bring it back. We'll do 1 right here, and then 1 right here, so it looks like his ribs. And then we'll make some little bumpy lines in between there. Next, I'm going to make a couple little like kind of bumpy shapes on some different parts of the body here, just to make it look like maybe parts of his skin are missing. So we're just going to do this on a couple little spots here. Right up here, I'm going to add a little line that comes down with a couple little stitch marks across. And we'll do that in a couple other spots here. We'll add a couple more little lines with some stitch marks. Then maybe right down here, we're going to make a little kind of wiggly line for a little puddle. Then I'm also going to add a couple little hashtag marks in some spots, just to kind of help add a few little details. And then maybe even a couple up here too. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right by the eyes too, just to give them a little bit more detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a zombie blue from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.